Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here. I'm fishing today. I'm gonna start fishing behind me on this stretch of the river. Beautiful day out. It's the first nice day we've had in a while. It's still only about 30 up here, but it has been like 0 to negatives all winter. So I think we're gonna move up here. I might tie on a new lure on my other rig and see how it goes, but catch you at the new spot. Here's a fish. Let's go. There we go. Oh, it's a good one. Oh boys, it's a good one. He's a pretty solid one. Not like a crazy good one, but a nice brown to start the day off. By myself here, so just gonna land him like that. Oh my god, that's a way better fish than I thought. Nice one, guys. It's probably about pushing a 20-incher. Solid brown right there. Look at that guy. Good fish, guys. He fought way good too. First fish of the day, solid brown, probably a 20-inch, just a chunky little brown. Hopefully catch some more here. Well, folks, we're gonna have to retie because my lure is on the other side of the river in the water underneath. Down below now, so. There's another one to bite here soon. Back to right where I was, because there's a fish. There we go, boys. There's another one. Oh, this one feels good. I can't tell if he's in the current just pulling solid, or I think we got a good fish. It's a pretty solid one. Give me a little bit of jumping action. It's fighting good again. Come on, buddy. I think this one might be a rainbow. This one's a beautiful rainbow. Like a beautiful rainbow. Another chunky, just beautiful trout. Oh my god. All right, bud. Oh, you popped the hook. But dude, that is probably the most beautiful rainbow I've ever caught. He's so pink. Here we go. Oh. There we go, guys, another stud, solid rainbow. Just a beautiful trout. There he goes, another solid fish. Let's go, guys, another fish. Two fat little, like 1 to 2 pound 20-inchers. Oh, those are green wing teal. That was sick. Couldn't be happier with how this is going. I moved up just a little bit. I moved back to where I caught that first one, and they're just crushing the spoons right now. Doesn't get much better than that.